Okay, here's a 1969 Charger RT. It's got the white vinyl top. Okay, here's the back end with the RT emblem in the center. Alright, here's the interior. You got plastic on the seats. Okay, this one's going for $86,500, and it's got the 440 V8 engine, 3-speed automatic, and it's a second owner car. Numbers matching 440 cubic inch 4-barrel V8, and a numbers matching A727 torque flight automatic transmission. Alright, here's a 1997 Prowler. I believe this was the first year that they were made. I think they were made from 97 to 2002 or 2003. You can correct me if I'm wrong down there in the comments there, guys. The stance on these things are amazing. I love the way they sit. Okay. And of course, it is a convertible. They didn't make any hardtops. There's the interior. It looks like they got some flames painted on the dash there. Okay, here's the information on it. It's going for $34,900, and that's a pretty decent price. That's what I usually see them go for. It's got the 3.5 liter single overhead cam engine. It's a V6 and a 4-speed automatic. They didn't come with manual transmissions. None of them did. And it's got 28,835 actual miles. Okay, here's a 1967 Dodge Dart GT. It's got the black convertible top. Well, the body looks pretty straight. Okay, there is the interior, all black. Okay, here's the information on it. It's going for $57,500, and it's got the 416 cubic inch stroker V8 and a 3-speed automatic transmission. Very nice. Okay, here is a 1974 Challenger Rallye. This thing is beautiful. Alright, here's the interior. Okay, this one's going for $133,333. It's got the 410 cubic inch stroker V8, 4-speed manual transmission. It's got the numbers matching 360. Stroked it to 410, and the numbers matching 833 4-speed manual. It's the final year of the e-body. Beautiful car. Okay, here's a 1970 Challenger convertible. Okay, this one's going for $75,000. It's got the 318 V8 and a 4-speed manual. Okay, here's a nice shot of the interior. Okay, here's a 1968 Charger. It's got the red line tires on the sidewalls. White vinyl top. And it's a RT, Charger RT. Okay, here's the information. It's going for $180,000. It's got the 426 Hemi V8, 3-speed automatic. It's got the correct 426 Hemi V8, one of 475 built. So this thing is rare. That's why the price is up there. Got the correct A727 automatic transmission. Okay, that's the interior.